Hello student, good afternoon. Today we discuss the relationship between sociology and history. Already we discussed about the relationship between sociology and political science and sociology and economics. I hope you understand this topic. Now we discuss about the sociology and history. Sociology and history are intimately related social science. According to C.E. Howard, history is past sociology and sociology is present history. There are relationships. The mutual dependence of history and sociology has made G.E. Howard to remark that history is past sociology and sociology is present history. Peter Worsley said that the best history is in fact sociology and the sociology of the past. T.B. Buttermore has pointed out that it is of the greatest importance for the development of the social sciences that two subjects should be closely related and that each should grow extensively from other as they are increasingly inclined to do. Robert Barstady comments that if the past is of as a continuous plot unrolling through the centuries, history is interested in the individual traits and strengths that make it up. Sociology in the pattern it exhibits. It means sociology and history. They are very তাত আমি বহুত ৰিলেশ্যন দেখিবলৈ পাওঁ তোমালোকে জানা হোৱাট ইজ হিষ্ট্ৰী এণ্ড হোৱাট ইজ ছ'চিয়লজি দুয়োটাৰ মাজত ৰিলেশ্যন দেখিবলৈ পোৱা যায় তোমালোকৰ কিতাপত সুন্দৰকৈ ৰিলেশ্যনখিনি আছে সেই ৰিলেশ্যনখিনি হৈছে যে দ্য ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপ অফ দ'জ টু ছ'চিয়েল চায়েন্স আৰ এজ ফলোজ নাম্বাৰ ওৱান হিষ্ট্ৰী ইজ দ্য ৰেকৰ্ড অফ দ্য লাইফ অফ ছ'চাইটিজ অফ মেন of the changes which the societies have gone through, of ideas which have determined the actions of these societies and of the material conditions which have helped or hindered their development. Sociology is connected with the study of the historical development of the societies and it studies the various stages of life and their various forms of social institution. Number two, history supplies facts which are interpreted and coordinated by the sociology. In the same way, sociology gives the social background for the study of history. Number three, it is rightly said that the study of history would be meaningless without the appreciation of social significance. If history is to be useful to understand the present, and to serve as a guide for the future, sociology interpretation of facts is absolutely essential. It means history, sociology always depends on history and history always depends on sociology. Sociology subject bilak ba sociology problem bilak solve koribo jate hokolo homote history past future past society kotha study koribologia hoy অর্থাৎ হিষ্ট্ৰীয়ে যিহেতু হিষ্ট্ৰীয়ে অকল আমাৰ পাষ্ট ছ'চাইটিখনৰ কথা ষ্টাডি কৰে গতিকে এনি ক্লু আৰু ডাটা আমি সেই পাষ্ট ছ'চাইটিৰ পৰা ছ'চিয়লজিয়ে লোৱা দেখিবলৈ পাওঁ বাট ইনস্পাইট অফ দিছ কানেকশ্যন এজ এ ছেপাৰেট ডিচিপ্লিন ইট কেন বি ডিষ্টিংগুইছ ফ্ৰম ইচ আদাৰ ফ্ৰম দ্য ফলোয়িং এছপেক্টছ the difference between history and sociology. Number one, sociology is interested in the study of the present social phenomena with all their complexity. But history deals with the past events of man. It is silent regarding the present. Number two, sociology is relatively a young social science. It has a very short history of its own. It is not even 2 centuries old. But history is an age-old social science. It has a long story of 2000 years or even more. Number 3, sociology is an analytical science, but history is a descriptive science. Number 4. Sociology is abstract in nature. It studies mostly regular, the recurrent, and the universal. For example, the sociologist does not study all the wars or battles waged by the mankind, but he is interested in war itself as a social phenomenon, as one kind of conflict between two groups. But history is concrete. The historian is interested in the unique, the particular, and the individual. For example, the historian studies all the wars waged by mankind in the past, the wars, the world wars, the Indo-Pak war, etc. For him, each war is unique and significant. Number 5. Sociology is a generalizing science. Sociology seeks to establish generalizations after a careful study of social phenomena. But history is an individualizing science. History rarely makes generalization. It seeks to establish the sequence in which events occurred. Number 6. Sociology follows the sociological approach. It studies human events from the sociological point of view. Example, from the viewpoint of social relationship involved. But history studies human events in accordance with the time order. Its approach is historical. Dear student, these are the difference between history and sociology. আৰু হিষ্ট্ৰি এই দুইটা দ্য ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপ এণ্ড ডিফাৰেঞ্চ দুইটাই কেতিয়াবা 4 মাৰ্কছৰ পৰা আহে এক্সপ্লেইন দ্য ডিফাৰেঞ্চ বিটুইন হিষ্ট্ৰি এণ্ড ছচিয়লজি 4 মাৰ্কছৰ আহে আৰু কেতিয়াবা এক্সপ্লেইন দ্য ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপ বিটুইন হিষ্ট্ৰি এণ্ড ছচিয়লজি এইটো তোমালোকৰ কেতিয়াবা 4 মাৰ্কছৰ আহে মই ভাবো I hope you understand this topic. For today I am stopping my class here. Thank you. Have a nice day.